Hello, this is Samiksha from LG Electronics. I'll give you just a walkthrough of the product of the display solutions. Meantime, stay tuned. So this is the first product, which is an active LED. The one you are seeing is 2.5 pixel pictures. So if I go to a distance of 2.5 meter from here, this gives a flawless clarity, and also the color bit processing in this is very high, and so you can see the very vibrant colors over here. If I talk about the use case, this is good for the receptions, and this is an active LED video wall, so that can be customized as per the sizes that is required on the site. And that's about the first product. So the next product that you're looking at is the transparent OLED display. This is a commercial display, and this is a see-through and a transparent display. The content is running, and this is 55 inches diagonally one display. So we have got two displays over here, and we have collaborated it very seamlessly. We'll go next. This is again an active LED solution. This is a TMS solution. Actually, this is good for the analytical presentations, or something which is good for the command center, knock centers, CCTV centers, and all those things to have a good feed. The aspect ratio is unique in this. This is a stretch active LED. If I talk about the pixel pitches of this is 1.25 mm. So the minimum viewing distance is equal to that. That is 1.25 meter. You can see the outcome of this is very flawless and beautiful and very matte. The next, so again, if I talk about this product, this is 110 inches of in commercial LED display. This is actually an LCD with a backlight of an LED technology. This is used in the boardrooms, the reception desks for the events. This can be mounted wall mount. This is what the LG brings to you with the standard wall mount. If you want the trolley, that can be taken care by the fabricator or the or your SI partner. So the content is the color and the contrast ratio. Everything, if you see, is a real wow. Diagonally, if I talk about the size, is 110 inches. We'll move next. So the next one seems to be very much like a different and an amazing one. So this is an active LED, a transparent active LED. If you see, this is a curved glass that is there on this, then the curved glass installed. So this is good for the facade facing and all those things. If I talk about the pixel pitches of this is 14 pixel pitches. So the minimum viewing distance, if I say, is good for 14 meter of a distance. You see, this is also in transparent LED. This is having the controllers. I mean, every active LED comes requires a controller to run and push the content. I'll show you the back fitting of this display. So this is the cable structure of this transparent LED, active LED, and here over here on the roof is a controller that we have placed. We'll move next. So the next product is LG Create Board, which is an interactive display. If I talk about, this is a 4K panel, and this is Android 11. This is having an extended OS, which is which comes with an additional cost if the customer, if you require, if it's in your use case basically. And this is having a 40 touch points. The next one is One Quick Works. Just give me one moment. So this display, LG One Quick Works, is again an interactive display. The base of this display is windows in nature. And if I talk about the speciality of this display, I'll just show you. So the speciality of this display is that this is having a built-in speaker. This is the microphones over here. There are the 10 arrays of a microphone. So the pickup range of the microphone, if I talk about that, is 6 to 8 meters. And if in case that you can see in the center, there is a camera, which is in 4K camera. So the display is on. This is how is the UI. Actually, this is made for an ease. You can also switch to the Windows mode of this. This is an LG Launchpad. So this brings me an ease onto my one touch. I can have the pick and choose. This is customizable. I'll just show you the camera quality. So you have noticed that the camera rolled up, and this is the quality of the camera. So the camera is a 4K camera. We also have one more product in basket, similar like this, which is One Quick Flex, that is 43 inches, and that is having a 2K camera, wherein this is having a 4K camera. That is having a pickup range of microphone for 3 to 4 meters. This is having 6 to 8 meters. This is good for a mid-sized meeting room. And the other one is good for the huddle spaces, the One Quick Flex. I'll move next. So the next one is active LED, again 1.9 mm of the pixel pitches. So this is the unique thing that you can have it installed onto the pillars, the square shaped pillars. You see the content looks like in 3D content, since it is having the 90 degree angle thing. It's a very beautiful product to be. So it is actually giving a feel of a 3D. Isn't it beautiful to be? So I'll move next. This is the solution for the like HNI clients or the hotel suites and all. So if I say there's a display, a 32-inch display installed, there's a sensor of the display over here. So this is good for the mirror sort of a solution of a display. So I'll move next. So this one that you are seeing is a digital signage display, vertically hanged. This is 75 inches. This is a window facing, or even you can keep this in direct sunlight with the panels of an IP graded panels. The brightness of this is 4000 nits, which is like sufficient to be in the sunshades. Again, we are having a 55 inches horizontally aligned digital signage solution. We also have one more. This is actually good for the indoor environment, wherein this is very high brightness. This is good for the outdoor environment, and we also have one more solution, which is again the digital signage, which is 55 inches. I'll move next. So this is again an active LED solution. If I talk about active LEDs, there is a controller that we keep on a dedicated space to control the display, but wherein this all-in-one, which is written over here. So basically this a 136-inch all-in-one display. That means that the controller is built in this, the speakers are built in the display, and this is also deployed for the boardrooms for HNI clients bungalows. So this comes in two sizes specifically, that built-in controller, speakers and everything. 136-inch diagonally and 163 inches diagonally. I'll move next. Again, a very beautiful and a dynamic sort of an display, which is called as an LG magnet. This is installed in 136 inches diagonally. If I talk about this, is a very latest technology. The pixel pitches of this is 0.9 mm, and you see the sharpness, the color breadths, and all those things are very much taken care. If I talk about this, gives a feel of an bezel-less display, wherein this is actually an active LED. This is also customizable as per the size required. We maintain the aspect ratio, and we take care of the installation to be how it should be. So as an LG, we suggest you how it should be. And sorry, yeah. So this is the real feel of the display. And the pixel pitches are 0.9 mm. So if I say the minimum viewing distance is lesser than 1 meter, if I go close, you will not find the pixelations, because this gives a display like feel, because there is a 7 layer of coating over this each of the tiles. So this is LG magnet, one of the premium and the best product to be in market. So here I complete the entire tour of the product basket, which however like I can have covered almost of the products. Thank you so much for watching me out and sparing your time. Thank you so much.